Ashwagandha and saffron, you need to try this blend, and I'm going to talk about why. Now, ashwagandha and saffron are known for their unique properties, but they can create a powerful formula when they are combined. So today I'm going to dive into the benefits as well as explore the reasons behind their compatibility and shed light on who should exercise caution with these two wonderful ingredients. Now, these ingredients, when combined together in a supplement such as this one's to assist with sleep support, but it can also be used to help with mood enhancement as well. When combined together, these two ingredients, they are amazing for stress reduction and mood enhancement, because ashwagandha is known for its adaptogenic properties and it helps the body manage stress and it promotes overall well-being, while saffron, on the other hand, contains specific compounds that have mood enhancing effects and also help with alleviating symptoms of mild depression. The second benefit of these two wonderful ingredients is improved cognitive function, because ashwagandha is thought to enhance cognitive function, enhance memory, and improve concentration, while saffron, on the other hand, contains antioxidants that work to support brain health and protect against oxidative stress. The third benefit is their anti-inflammatory action. So ashwagandha exhibits anti-inflammatory properties, helping in reducing general inflammation in the body, while saffron is known for its anti-inflammatory effects. Also, the fifth benefit is for its antioxidant support. So ashwagandha contains antioxidants that help to fight free radicals in the body, while saffron is rich in carotenoids, which provide additional antioxidant support. So when these two ingredients are combined together in a supplement, or you could even manually take these two ingredients and combine them in a tea or in a smoothie or in a empty capsule as well, they have adaptogenic synergy, because ashwagandha's adaptogenic properties align with saffron's potential mood enhancing effects, and that creates a really beautiful balancing harmony for stress management. Also, they complement their anti-inflammatory effects, intensifying the anti-inflammatory action in the body when they are combined. They're amazing for giving us a cognitive boost, because of ashwagandha blends seamlessly with saffron's brain protecting qualities, promoting enhanced cognitive function. And lastly, they're amazing because ashwagandha focuses on physical resilience, while saffron contributes to emotional well-being, resulting in a wonderful holistic approach to health. Now, who should exercise caution when thinking about using these two ingredients together? First of all, pregnant and breastfeeding women. These two groups need to be careful. They need to consult with their doctor before using these supplements, because incorporating this combination will lead to effects on hormonal balance. The second group of people is anyone having allergic reactions to either ingredients should stay clear, because there is a potential to have adverse reactions. And thirdly, anyone with chronic medical condition and taking regular medication on a regular basis should just ask their doctor to check that it's okay for them. And lastly, anyone having hormonal disorders should use this combination with caution, because it may impact general hormonal levels in the body.